Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you are doing well and amazing. And for today's video reaction, let's travel to our very own country, which is the Philippines. Mabuhay kayong lahat guys. And this is a video request reaction to Ninin. Thank you so much Ninin for suggesting with this one. It's been a long time. Thank you for waiting. And the title of this video, to performance of Marco Rodio Upuan, the TNT Grand Finals, Tawag ng Tanghalan Grand Race Back, and credit also with the owner of the video to Maruel Videos. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect or watch the full video since we have to make some few cuts of it. And Marco Rodio won already to this amazing show in the Philippines, which is Tawag ng Tanghalan Grand Race Back, and no question, no doubt, he deserved it. And yeah, let's get to it guys, and thank you so much Ninin, and please do consider like, share, and subscribe also to my channel, Junris React. Have fun with
your superhero.
this.
Bato sa langit, ang matama ay huwag magalit.
Oh my God! That's, for me, that's perfection already. He put his emotions to it, that you can truly feel. This guy, it's such an amazing artist. The way he just sing those beautifully, carefully, arrange it beautifully, that's, oh my goodness. I know the original singer with this one, or original writer and producer with this song, it's Happy. His rendition, for me, boom, it's like mind-blowing.
Bato sa langit,
Oh God!
matamaan ay huwag masyadong halata.
Matamaan ay wag masyadong halata. Oh my God! His facial expression, the delivery of it, goodness, that's perfection. If you are not like just singing with the song, without interpreting with it, without feeling it to your heart and understanding with the song, you can deliver it like he delivered it so passionately, and you can feel that emotions. You can feel every beat, every lines that you're just singing it with such compassion, and that's how you did. He's professional. He knows how to to impress with the judges and to impress with the audience. Goodness, wow.
Tao po, nandyan po ba kayo sa loob ng malaking bahay at malawak na bakuran? Taas na pader, pinapaligiran, nakapilang mga mamahaling sasakyan, mga bantay na laging bulong ng bulong. Wala namang kasal pero marami ang nakabarong. Lumakas man ang ulan ay walang butas ang bubong, mga plato at kutsara na hindi kilala ang totong. Kanin na sipot, tinagatasan na sa kahon, kahit na hindi Pasko sa lamesa ay may hamon. Sarap sigurong manirahan sa bahay na ganyan, sabi pa nila ay dito mo rin matatagpuan ang tao na nagmamayari ng isang upuan. Pag may pagkakatao'y pinag-aagawan, kaya naman hindi niya pinagkakawalan. Makikita ko lamang siya ay aking sisigawan.
Oh my God, that's how, see the judges, like they're holding their breath because he delivered that, like, I don't know what type of that one. It's like rap part of it. Like, it's very, very clear that pleasing to your ear is like dancing the music to your ears. His, like, delivery of it, every lines, it's loud and clear, and yeah, he just like punch every lines of the song with amazing passion that truly, like, real music that you truly enjoyed. He's goodness gracious. He's fantastic. I love this performance of him because you can feel it deep down that he felt the song inside of it and he was inside of the song. That's like a phenomenal performance. Good. Good. Oh my God, sorry to cut in this part because those facial expression, binigyan niya talaga ng angas yung kanta. I heard many rendition of the song, but this is for me, it's like way beyond those who perform with the song. His goodness gracious. That's why he just prepared coming on the second time in this competition, well prepared. He knows how to kill it. He knows when to attack the song, when to deliver it so passionately, and he just delivered fantastically. And this is amazing. This is incredible. This is beast. This is brilliant of how you did it. Because I love the way an artist like giving facial expression of like the lines of the song. He just felt it. He knows where he just give the facial expression. He did it so well. He did it 100%. Goodness.
Huwag masyado hala. Marco Rubio.
Oh my God!
Wow! Standing ovation!
Lahat ng hurado tumayo. Yes.
Imagine all of the judges, all of the jurors standing ovation, even Vice, like they were very proud with this guy because grabe yung angas nung pag-atake nung last, ang haba ng ano niya. Meron siyang vocal quality that it's so amazing to listen, even it's very high, but still it's very clean. That's incredible. That's how you attack with it with such an amazing way of doing it. My God, his facial expression is just like watching him. His facial expression is just very, very easy because he knows how to play the song. He understood the assignment, and that's how you do it. Oh my God, thank you so much, Marco Rudio, for giving such an amazing performance that I truly enjoyed with it. And thank you so much, Ninin, for suggesting with this one. And to all the supporters of Marco Rudio, thank you so much for coming into my channel. And sorry to those people, especially to the Filipinos or some other who watches with my videos with Marco Rudio, that I'm speaking in English because, guys, nahihirapan po ako mag-Tagalog. Sorry guys ha, kasi Bisaya po ako. Then ayaw ko rin na mag-Bisaya throughout my video because I know some of you guys, especially from the Luzon areas, don't understand Bisaya. So I have to speak in English because rather than mahaba yung video ko dahil sa pag-aantay nyo kung magsasalita ako ng tamang, ano ba yung tamang Tagalog nito or what. So, even that my grammar is wrong, but still, majority of my in my channel are English videos that I had making video reaction. Sorry guys that I had to explain myself because I read some few comments. I respect with that one, guys. I respect with you, even it's bad comments or like good comments. I accept it because it will help me with my channel to grow and to improve and to understand you guys. And thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. And yeah, I'm very happy making this video request reaction for you guys. And I was so happy discovering also Marco Rodio. I hope you enjoyed watching with this video reaction, and I hope you enjoyed with Marco Rodio performances. Thank you so much guys. Maraming salamat po and mabuhay kayong lahat. God bless, and please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, John Rey's React, and be part of our membership that you can see at the description box below. Thank you so much. God bless, and see you in my next video reaction. Bye bye guys.